In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use masking in Luminar Neo. Masking lets you decide exactly where an edit appears, so you can target the sky, a subject, or the background instead of changing the whole photo. For example, you can brighten a face without lifting the exposure in the background, and masking works with almost every tool in Luminar Neo. First, apply an edit. Open your photo, head to the Edit tab, choose any tool, exposure, color, details, anything you like, and move the sliders until you see the effect you want. You need that visible change in place before you can tell Luminar where to show it. Next, open the masking panel inside that same tool. You'll see the masking options appear, and this is where the targeting happens. Choose the masking type that fits your scene. Brush mask gives you manual control. Use paint to add the mask exactly where you want the effect, and switch to erase to remove it from areas you don't want. Small strokes and a softer brush help with precision, especially on faces or objects with edges. For smooth transitions, pick linear gradient, then click and drag across the image. This is excellent for darkening a bright sky or guiding light over a landscape because it fades naturally from full effect to none. Radial gradient creates a circular or oval focus area. Place and size it around a portrait or subject to create a gentle spotlight or a subtle vignette, drawing attention without hard lines. If you want speed, try Mask AI. It analyzes the photo and lets you select subjects like sky, people, buildings, or water. Luminar detects those regions automatically, giving you a head start that you can still refine by hand if needed. After you've created a mask, refine it for a clean result. Feather softens edges so the effect blends seamlessly. Shift Edge expands or shrinks the mask to catch missed pixels or avoid spill. Invert flips the selection, which is helpful if you masked the subject but decide to edit the background instead. One final note, in raw focus tools, masking may be unavailable until you make a basic adjustment. Nudge exposure or another control first to activate the masking options. That's it, precise, flexible edits with masks in Luminar Neo.